अनम्यूट कसं करायचं रे? मॅम अनम्यूटेड आहे.
Hello, welcome back. Subhash Patil sir. तो सुभाष पाटिल सर आप सुन सकते हैं? अच्छा, तो मैं ये बता रही थी कि आप आपके बेटे को बोल सकते हैं कि वो डायरेक्टली अश्विनी मैम या अंकिता मैम दीपक सर से कांटेक्ट करे और उनके थ्रू जो इंटरेस्ट, जो एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है, उसके शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्सेज कौन से हैं वो डायरेक्टली बता सकते हैं. ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक जनरल कोई कोर्स नहीं है जिससे जो करने से इमीडिएटली करियर में नौकरी मिल सकता है. तो स्पेसिफिक एरिया में जो इंटरेस्ट है उसके कोर्सेज कौन से हैं वो हेल्प कर सकते हैं. Okay, thank you. And yes, ma'am. Sumedha ma'am, do you have a question?
Yes.
No question. Okay. So because you came online, I thought you had a question to share with us. Okay. Any other questions? That please you can unmute your microphone and please feel free to ask a question. Faculty members are on. Yes.
Here I am speaking Arnab Pawar's father.
Yes.
Clear in the last semester.
Yes.
And it seems we are going to conduct some mock test on 26 for internals, and university also probably going to have a final written test. The problem is he came on the whole here and he got stuck. His books, his notes, everything is in a hostel.
Oh.
And now you people have uploaded the books somewhere on the side, so he has downloaded that.
Yeah.
But whatever the test you conduct, naturally, it's not his case. There will be many other students. Their performance is going to get impacted heavily.
Okay. I think Risil sir can take this.
Yeah. As far as in this MCQ based online examination or internal mock examination is concerned, it is part of our overall internal assessment plan. Our internal assessment started from the day one when college started, I think roughly around in the end of the December. Okay. So from that day, internal assessment started, and MCQ based exam, mock exam is one small component of that internal assessment. So it's not that way that this MCQ will altogether hamper overall performance. Yes, it will hamper, but the performance, the proportion will be very limited. There are other factors also. Wednesday, we had a detailed meeting with the students, and we disclosed all the internal assessment plan criterias and the weighing schemes. So all students know all these details. Okay. So, but I would like to make you sure that if student appears for the exam and puts genuine efforts, naturally he will be getting good marks, irrespective of whether he has studied in detail or not. Because if he has paid sufficient attention in the class, naturally he will able to contribute for the final assessment. I hope I have answered your query.
Yes.
Yeah. Other thing is still the status of final exam from university is still hanging around, right? It's not, nothing has been decided.
No, not yet.
Reading around that I think the youth, some youth organization has requested to cancel the exams and all that.
Risil sir, that's a question for you.
Yeah, we are waiting results from the university. Actually, I initially said Uday Samant sir has requested UGC to cancel final year examination also, but still there are no progress and we have not got any further information. So whenever the information will come, definitely we will be happy to share with you all.
That's all from my side.
Okay. Thank you. Are there any other questions?
Yeah, Risil sir, this is Kalidas. One question I had is,
my daughter, her exam and her internship, they are falling on the same day, so it's a overlapping.
May I
So just
know
like
the
the
exact details?
Janvi?
yeah,
The
this
date.
is Janvi's father.
Janvi's father. Yes, sir. Please tell me. Yeah, please.
Yeah,
Will
so
it?
her exam, that is the MCQ exam and her internship, which it is overlapping.
May I know the exact date and time?
Uh,
Which paper is
they have
overlapping?
not mentioned any. They have not mentioned any timing as such. But
Okay.
what is the date? 26th. But
Okay.
they have mentioned the date as 26th.
Okay. What I request, I request you to please ask Janvi to get in touch with me. I will find the alternative solution.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, okay. It's. Are there any more questions? यू कैन आप अनम्यूट करके कोई भी सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, अगर आप टाइप नहीं कर सकते तो पूछ सकते हैं। सारे फैकल्टी यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है, तो आपके कोई भी क्वेरीज रहेंगे तो वो आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं। ओके I don't think there are any more queries. Risil sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I don't think there are any more queries from parents, and even nothing is there in the chat. So would you like to wrap it up, or would you have anything to add to this session?
Okay. I would like to add some important things which we as a teacher expects parent to do. We expect
Okay.
parent to focus on the key skills students acquire in this tenure, because when it comes to the placements next year, and when it comes to the placement next to next year, that is those students who are right now in third year, they will be coming for the placement in this August, and those students who are right now in second year, they will be appearing for the placement in July 2021. Now, for both the batch students, I insist that company is changing their methodology of selecting the students. Companies not only just focus on the academics, but also look for what are the additional credentials student has. That's why, as principal ma'am has insisted on internship course, online courses. So I request all parents to take the necessary follow-up with the students, so that they will undergo this internship on a regular basis every semester, so that student will gain some new insights of the company. Student will acquire some new set of courses which is beyond what we are taking as a part of curriculum, because now the world is moving at very fast speed, and the diversity what is expected from the student is much higher. So all parents are requested to take necessary follow-up with the students, so that they can make utilization of available opportunity. College is giving
Correct.
different kinds of opportunity.
Risil sir, I'd like to add here, so that all the parents can know that all the faculty members, as and when it's come to our attention, either through official or unofficial channels, through friends, through WhatsApp, we immediately share it on the WhatsApp group with students. So they definitely are aware of these kind of opportunities that are coming their way. It is just that they need to be encouraged to take this up. Over to you, Risil sir.
Yeah, there are one question which parents has given me directly. It says how future classes is going to be affected as students are not appearing for the exam. So there naturally there will be effect on the performance of students. This is really a wonderful question which parents has asked. That yes, we believe that our system is so that if there is an exam, then only student learn something new. But now I believe that COVID-19 has proved the Darwin's law, that change is only thing which remains constant. So now we have to change our mindset, technology, and techniques, so that whatever the traditional mindset we were following, that we learn only when exam is there. So now we have to learn something new, even if there is no exam. Or there may be the change of the paradigms, shift in the examination. So there may be the fact that it may be a regular exam kind of a scenario. So I request parents to be the facilitator, so that student can able to change their mindset and to adopt this transformation which is happening now. So with this, I am done for my side. If at all there is any question, I'm free to answer.
Okay. Okay. Are there any questions? किसी को कुछ सवाल पूछना है? सुभाष जी कुछ? Okay. Okay. Sumedha ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any queries?
No queries.
Okay. 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 So I thank all the parents. Risul sir, Mohan sir, is anything else that you would like to add?
Ma'am, I request parents to also join for the motivational sessions what college is organizing.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. I think, in fact, we have just lined up events on the 2nd, on the 3rd, on the 11th, and these are all webinars which will be conducted, and these are professionals as well as motivational speakers who can actually encourage students and take them into a different thinking, or maybe even understand to emerge victorious. So with that, I would like to conclude this session. But Mohan sir, is there anything you would like to add, sir?
Mom, nothing, mom. So I think just we
Okay.
can conclude now.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
Ma'am,
Thank you. Yes.
there is one question in chat box. Can you please see?
Yes, sir. Oh, yes. If final, oh, there are two questions. If final year exams do happen, what are the tentative dates for the exam? Risul sir?
We are expecting in the month of July.
Okay, but are there any tentative
No,
dates even
no,
from
no,
SPPU? No, no official communication.
No official communication.
Communication. Okay, okay. So I think there is, but I'm sure from the university perspective, they will be given ample time. So it is not that they will say that the exams are going to be conducted next week. There will be enough time for students to plan and perform well. Okay,
Hello.
so thank you, Chetan sir. Thank you for your appreciation of the event. Hello?
Hi, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I'm here.
He has not vacated the room there in the hostel.
Okay.
And what
about that? When can we vacate that and hand over?
I think you don't have to worry about it right now, because once we see, even as faculty, even we are not on campus. We are all in our respective homes. So you don't have to worry about your things which are there in the hostel right now. Once we come back to campus and we are available on campus, there will be a decision taken administratively with regards to the hostel, and then we will inform you accordingly as to when you can come and collect your item. Is there something which is very important that you require or something like that? Who am I speaking to? Who am I speaking to?
I am Shashank.
Shashank. Oh, okay.
Shashank Shahanbag. Yes, ma'am.
Shashank, you don't have to worry. So your things will be safe, definitely. So you can come to campus. We let you know when you can come and collect your items, and take it back with you, right?
okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
So yeah, I'm here. Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Yes.
ma'am.
Who's this?
I have a question. This
Who
is Verma, Kaushal Verma's parent.
Kaushal Verma's parent. Yes, yes, sir.
I would like to say, like, for example, we have around 2 months to start the new session. He is in the 3rd year.
Yes.
Is any possibility that from college side, maybe through a contact of company, they can arrange one online internship for all the students who are there in the third year or in the second year.
Okay, so this is something I think Risul sir and even principal ma'am, Mohan sir, all of them have just addressed and shared this, that companies, it is important that this 2 months that they are at home should be utilized properly. So kind of additional skill development that they can do at home, they should be taking up internships. I think since Kaushal is now in the third year, he would be in the third year. Yeah.
Uh, they are taking individually. They are taking
Yes.
individually.
Right.
What I want to say is that for all the students, can there be a common online internship through the
College.
college?
So common internship.
Like for example,
Yes, sir. Please go on.
like for example, I just came across 2 days back that in COEP they are arranging such kind of thing for a complete batch.
So internship that way. See, if we have to arrange, we can arrange. It is not a problem, but it really wouldn't really help because every student in the class has a different interest. So let's say if Kaushal is interested in one particular technology, there is no use forcing him to sit for going through an internship in another technology which he is not interested in or which he is not wanting to have a career in. So I think internships will add value only if the student is focused in that domain or is interested to take up that line as a career. So if he is interested, let's say in digital communication, and there is some company or the college is offering a internship in analog, go through it, it's not going to benefit him in any way. It is just going to be that he's engaged in that 1 hour or 2 hours. So I think individualistic internship where he has interest would be beneficial to him as well as help him in his career. Risil sir, Mohan sir, please feel free. Deepak sir, please feel
Yeah, I'd
free.
like to take this question.
Please, sir.
Yeah, Verma sir, good afternoon. Good question
Yeah,
actually. Yeah, good question. But see, we cannot make compulsion for all the students for any particular skilled internship. For example, if he or she want to make or do the job in Python programming language, so we cannot make compulsion for any VLSI or embedded system technologies, right? Because his or her area of interest is different. So at the end, when he or she will sit for the placement for any company, so that their resumes or CVs, right? Which actually the interviewer will focus on, right? So we cannot make compulsion for all the students for any one particular internships. But yes, we will think on this. If area of interest for our student is like major any one area they are focusing on, then yes, we can try to arrange the internship like this. But I think they have to focus on their skills.
Yes.
And they are anyway doing that. Let's say, for example, they might have selected one or two or three, and they are ongoing on that internship. But
Right.
maybe one common because still they have time. I think, but they have a lot of time,
Yes.
and they can attend if you find some common subject which can be beneficial to this batch.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Just to add up, I think, so yeah, sir, this is Mohan. Yeah, Verma, sir, I think we met you. Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Uh, there have been around, say 10, 15 such opportunities. Actually, internship is meant for, say to get the hands-on experience from the industry persons, like more often, is because in our institute, yes, we are open to accommodate, those are interested in our PPCRC. That's where Dr. Rajesh is taking care of that heading. So as and when there are opportunities for our students to take up the live projects, so Rajesh sir is actually posting those opportunities. So that is one possibility in case that they wanted to get associated with any of those projects which are right now going on. Otherwise, so Deepak sir and the team, those are taking care of these online internship programs, so which are posted by the various companies. There have been like 10, 15 15 such links where the well-known industries like say Texas Instruments and also Mitsubishi, or so there are other companies which are offering due to this pandemic situations, either some are at a nominal price to make it so serious, little bit of seriousness to bring in. So otherwise, yeah, these efforts are being done, sir. Yeah, rightly said that we will try to take up your input, and if there is any such possibility, yes, we will try to get associate, because this internship is more of like hands-on experience, from the tools that are being used or otherwise, so by those industry experts. Otherwise, yes. So one open call for Kaushal or for anybody for the matter to take up in our PPCRC. This is kind of it's like an industry incubated in our institute itself. So I think that will really help them to get hands-on understanding of how things will basically be taken up in the industry.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. I think even Russell sir has just shared that college is floating many opportunities of internships for students, and students are encouraged to make use of this opportunity and take benefit from it. So I think Verma sir, thank you so much for that question. I think we can definitely consider, but it should be of interest to Kaushal and whoever student is planning to take up that internship as well. So any other questions from anybody? Any suggestions, any ideas, any inputs that you would like to share with the team? We are open to listening. आप कुछ भी बोलना चाहते हैं, please शेयर करना चाहते हैं, या आपकी तरफ से कुछ input है तो आप बता सकते हैं.
नमस्ते, मैं प्रदीप शिंदे बोलतोय.
नमस्ते,
सौरभ
नमस्ते.
शिंदेचे फादर.
नमस्ते. किसके फादर सर?
मी मराठीत बोलतो थोडंसं.
हो चालेल. सौरभ शिंदेचं बोला सर.
हां, थोडं कम्फर्टेबल. हां, कम्फर्टेबल बोलता येईल मला. आता जे एक्झाम घेणार आहेत, तर जे बाहेर गावनं जे विद्यार्थी येतील त्यांच्यासाठी आयसोलेशन कशा प्रकारे आपण करणार आहे? कारण आता बाहेर गावावरनं जे येतील विद्यार्थी त्याला 15 दिवसाचं आयसोलेशन आपण जर घ्यायचे असेल, समजा 1 जुलै पासून ते 31 जुलैपर्यंत, त्या काळामध्ये जर 15 विद्यार्थ्याला ट्रॅव्हलिंग करून आलं तर त्याला आयसोलेशन करायला पाहिजे, आणि त्यानंतरच आपण त्याला इतर विद्यार्थ्यांसोबत बसू दिलं पाहिजे. त्या पद्धतीने आपले ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह काय, त्या पद्धतीने आपण काय केलं, काही सूचना तसे.
अच्छा. So, Russell sir, would you take this or do you want me to address it? Russell sir?
Ma'am, will you take it?
Sure. Pradeep sir, माझी मराठी एवढं चांगलं नाहीये. मी हिंदीमध्ये बोललं तर चालेल ना? हो
चालेल.
हो. तो ये जो बाहर गांव से जो स्टूडेंट्स आने वाले हैं कैंपस में रहने के लिए, आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा है कि 14 दिन का 15 दिन का क्वारंटाइन होता है बिफोर कि हम उनको बाकी स्टूडेंट्स के साथ मिक्स करने के लिए. ये अभी तो एक नॉर्म, अभी तो फिलहाल यही रूल है. तो जो बाहर थे उनके रिस्पेक्टिव घर गए हुए थे, जो वापस पुणे आए, खुद वो सब क्वारंटीन में है अभी. तो ये अभी का जो डिसीजन है कि अगस्त 1 से कैंपस शुरू होगा, इसके ये डेट मन में रख के हम लोग बाकी के डेट्स अरेंज कर रहे हैं. तो जस्ट अगर औरंगाबाद से कोई स्टूडेंट आ रहा है या जालना से कोई स्टूडेंट आ रहा है, तो उसको इंटीमेशन यही होगा कि उसको 15 दिन पहले यहाँ पे आके उसका जो अलग से एरिया बनाएंगे, डेफिनेटली कैंपस में हॉस्टल में अकोमोडेशन उसके हिसाब से हम लोग तैयारी तो करेंगे ही. और इसकी जो प्रिपरेशन है, हम लोग जो क्या तैयारी कर रहे हैं इसके बारे में, इसका हम पूरा स्टूडेंट को मैसेज कर देंगे. हम उनको बता देंगे कि आपको इस तारीख को कैंपस में आना है अगर आप बाहर के स्टूडेंट हैं, और आपके लिए कमरा अलॉट किया जाएगा. ये उसके खाने का, उसके रहने का ऑल इंतजाम जो है, सिक्योरिटी, सेफ्टी, मेडिकल अटेंशन जो भी है, 24 आवर कैंपस में तो नर्स अवेलेबल है, तो ऐसे कोई टेंशन नहीं है. तो जो भी फैसिलिटीज या अरेंजमेंट्स उसको क्वारंटीन के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है हम डेफिनेटली देख लेंगे। ऐसे तो नहीं है कि आने के बाद चलो भाई सीधा क्लास में बैठ जाओ, एक को 1 अगस्त को अगर अगर क्लास शुरू हो रहा है तो 31 को स्टूडेंट आ गया, ऐसा नहीं है।
मैं एकेडमिक ईयर का यूसी लेने वाले हैं ना गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, हाँ एग्जाम के लिए जो क्रिटिकल कंडीशन है इसके लिए पूछ रहा था।
हाँ, तो उसके लिए भी अभी जैसे हमने बताया कि एग्जाम के लिए सिर्फ फाइनल ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स कैंपस में आने वाले हैं, तो अभी तो पूरा स्टूडेंट्स तो आने वाले हैं नहीं। तो जो फाइनल ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स जो आएंगे एग्जाम के लिए उनको अलग अलग कमरा डेफिनेटली दिया जाएगा, और उसका प्रिकॉशन जो है उसके लिए जो प्रिवेंशन या सेफ्टी के लिए जो है कि भाई क्लास में स्टूडेंट एग्जाम कहाँ बैठेंगे, कहाँ स्टूडेंट्स बैठेंगे, डिस्टेंस कितना मेंटेन होना चाहिए, स्टूडेंट का स्पॉट क्या होगा, ये सब डिटेल्स हम बताएंगे, डेफिनेटली बताएंगे। क्योंकि अभी तक गवर्नमेंट से या कॉर्पोरेशन पीसीएमसी जिस एरिया में हम लोग आते हैं यहाँ से कोई भी डायरेक्टिव्स नहीं है, तो एसपीपीयू का भी कोई भी ये सब चीज के लिए होपफुली अभी तो हम आज तो हमारा मई 23 में आए हैं, शायद अगले हफ्ते या 1-2 हफ्ते में यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से कुछ इंटीमेशन आए कि भाई आपको एग्जाम्स इस तरह से कंडक्ट करना है। अभी तो सिर्फ एक ही स्टेटमेंट बोला है उन्होंने कि आपको एग्जाम कंडक्ट करना है, लेकिन कैसे करना है, स्टूडेंट का क्या होगा, स्टूडेंट कैसे हैंडल करेगा, बाहर से स्टूडेंट कैसे आएंगे, ये सब जो आएगा उसका एक ऑफिशियल कम्युनिकेशन जब तक यूनिवर्सिटी से नहीं आता है हम लोग उस पे आपको नहीं बता सकते। हाँ, लेकिन जैसे यूनिवर्सिटी का इंटीमेशन आएगा हम डेफिनेटली आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे, और हमारे कैंपस का जो सिक्योरिटी है और जो कैंपस का सेफ्टी है वो डेफिनेटली हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। सो स्टूडेंट जैसे ही आएगा उसका चेक होगा, उसके टेम्परेचर या सिक्योरिटी या सैनिटाइजेशन जो भी है वो सबका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वुड बी आवर्स। सो वी विल एंश्योर कि स्टूडेंट को कोई भी तरफ से हम एक्सपोजर, हमारी तरफ से डेफिनेटली कोई एक्सपोजर ना हो, स्टूडेंट सेफली आके एग्जाम दे और वापस क्लियरेंस वगैरह करके चले जाए, सेफली चले जाए। ये इतना हमारी तरफ से तो एश्योरेंस है।
ओके, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू।
या थैंक यू सो मच सर। एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? और कोई सवाल है किसी का? और कुछ नहीं है? नो मोर पेरेंट्स, नो मोर
there was a question
queries
from Janvi Father Mom, so Kalida sir,
yeah,
the Microsoft team.
He wanted
just to clarify, I think normally there is some problem with this account, sir. Otherwise normally Zoom is extending the 40 minutes limit default, but otherwise no, for our regular online classes we used Google Meet, so where there such, so that was smooth. And also the as a campus we have registered with the G Suite, where we basically be able to record and interact and show all both so PPTs, even videos and all that way. And also I think we are also planning for this permanent solution as such, in case if there is any directive from the university or even higher up that that digital mode of interaction is compulsory, then we basically have Microsoft a campus suite also, so that's where the efforts are being taken up in this direction. So hopefully I think we will not have any such difficulty.
Okay, anything else, Risul sir, anything you would like to add before we end the session?
No ma'am.
Okay, thank you all. Thank you. I'd like to thank all the parents for joining us. शुक्रिया आप ज्वाइन किए हमारे साथ, हमको जो भी शेयर करना था आपने सुन लिया, आपके इनपुट्स जो हमने आपने बताया हमने उनको whatever queries, it is very uncertain right now. ये situation ही बहुत uncertain है, किसी को नहीं पता कि अब कैसे इसका डेवलपमेंट होने वाला है, तो कोई भी कंसोलिडेट या सॉलिड आंसर नहीं है किसी के पास, ना यूनिवर्सिटी के पास है, ना गवर्नमेंट के पास है, ना हमारे पास है। बट इतना ही कहूंगी कि फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट पर्सपेक्टिव एंड फ्रॉम हमारी तरफ से, कॉलेज की तरफ से, स्टूडेंट्स आर अ प्रायोरिटी। हमारी तरफ से स्टूडेंट्स विल डेफिनेटली बी द प्रायोरिटी। हम लोग कभी नहीं चाहेंगे, हम लोग कभी नहीं, वी विल इंश्योर दैट स्टूडेंट का नुकसान नहीं हो किसी भी तरह से। तो आप प्लीज टेंशन मत लीजिए, जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बताया कि हम सब ऑल ऑफ अस ऑल वी आर ऑल फैकल्टी, हम लोग सब टीचर्स हैं, बट हमारे भी बच्चे हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स, कोई कॉलेज में है, कोई स्कूल में है, तो हम सब यही एज हम लोग पेरेंट्स भी है एंड फैकल्टी भी है, तो हमको समझ में आता है कि कंसर्न्स क्या क्या हो सकता है। but please tension mein priority from the government will always be the students life, students career, students safety and student centric decision ही हमेशा लिया जाएगा। तो आप प्लीज किसी भी तरह से टेंशन मत लीजिए, और आपके पास कोई भी सवाल हो, कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कोई भी कंसर्न हो, आपका बेटा या बेटी हर एक कॉलेज के हर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में है, तो आप उनको बोल सकते हैं पोस्ट करने के लिए, आप उनका या फिर आप डायरेक्टली अप्रोच कर सकते हैं एचओडी सर से या कोई भी फैकल्टी से, उनके नंबर्स अवेलेबल है या हमारे वेबसाइट पे नंबर्स है, आप ईमेल कर सकते हैं, मैसेज कर सकते हैं, वी आर ऑलवेज देयर टू हेल्प यू। ओके, सो आई वुड लाइक टू एंड दिस सेशन, थैंक यू। वी हैव yes who is this?
Hello madam.
Yes.
Again, Verma, Motilal Verma.
Yes, Mr. Verma. Yes, sir.
No, I just only want to take this opportunity to thank the institute, because what I मतलब मैं last 2 महीने से देख रहा हूँ, even students are really very busy. What I am seeing is that college is posting all the activities and all the things to him, and he's been throughout busy. I mean, 2 महीने ऐसे नहीं हुआ कि waste हुआ. What I see is it was really helpful to the students.
Thank you.
So I will say that from college side, you have done really a good thing. That today's also meeting to communicate all the parents was really a good initiative.
Yes,
thank you for that.
Thank you sir, thank you sir. So and again if there's anything, आप कोई भी सवाल हो, आपका डाउट हो, कुछ भी हो, आप डायरेक्टली अप्रोच कर सकते हैं, हमको अप्रोच कर सकते हैं, एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली ऑल ऑफ अस आर अवेलेबल ऑन व्हाट्सएप, ऑन ईमेल्स, तो कोई भी टेंशन नहीं, ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है जो अवेलेबल नहीं है, या we will be there to help you. Okay, so with that I'd like to end the session, and thank you all the parents. I hope you all stay safe, stay indoors, stay safe, and take care. Thank you and bye bye.
Thank you, mom. Thank you, parents.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, mom.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.